Okay, I had my turmeric baking in the oven to dry it out for about 2 hours. It really shrunk it up a lot, but it's hard. Now I need to blend it up in my blender to turn it into a powder form. It smells good. Okay, the turmeric has went through the process of baking and drying it out for 2 hours. Now I'm getting ready to blend it together to turn it into a powder form. Okay, now I'm getting ready to blend it all together. Ooh, look at that. It ground it up into a nice powder form. Let me run it a little bit longer. Let's see. Let's get it real fine. Okay. Okay, it looks good. I'm gonna pour this into a little container that I'm gonna store it in. And add some more to it as I get more turmeric. It was a pretty easy process to do. You cut it up, bake it for 2 hours, and then grind it together in your blender. And there, you have some turmeric powder. Okay, it stained the container that I blended it in, and I didn't remember until early in the process of cutting it up that I should have put some gloves on. My nails are yellow now from the turmeric. But look at that. Okay, that's a nice orangey powdery look. Like I said, it smells good. Okay. Made my first batch of turmeric powder. Looks good. There was a lot out of that little bit too. Look at that. Make your own turmeric powder.